There are many ways to monetize your YouTube channel, whether or not you're part of the YouTube Partner Program. There are ways to monetize that may make you way more money than the ad revenue from YouTube. In this video, I'm going to share 3 ways that popular YouTubers monetize their YouTube channels, not related to ad revenue. And the last one you can do regardless of whether you have any subscribers. So the first way is to have brand deals. And that's when you align with a brand or a business that has a similar audience, similar values, and you promote their brand. So basically, it's an ad for another business or brand. And that's the way many of the big YouTubers are earning a lot of their income. Usually, brands want to work with YouTubers who already have an audience, especially a really engaged audience, not necessarily YouTubers who have millions of subscribers. They may want to work with the micro influencers that have a super engaged community, an engaged audience, even if it's a hyper niche, but they know that there's going to be a return in doing a brand deal with you. The key, and I've already said it, is that you work with a brand that has a similar audience as you, and that way it's going to be the most effective because you want your audience to resonate with the brand, with the ad. So as you grow, brands might be going to you to work with you, but you can also be connecting and networking with different businesses and different brands, and maybe there's a possibility of a brand deal before you get millions and millions of subscribers. 2 things to consider when you're doing brand deals. One is that there is a significant amount of time investment that's going to be done in negotiating and coming up with terms from the brand deal, and also actually executing on whatever it is that you're going to create, whether it's an ad within the video or however you want to present the ad within your content. The second thing is you do risk alienating your audience if the brand deal isn't really in alignment with your audience. So be very careful that you're choosing brands and you're doing ads that really fit within the type of content and the audience that you have, so that you don't risk people unsubscribing or worse, maybe even reporting your channel if it's really not in alignment with your audience and your type of content and niche. The second way to earn money on YouTube is through merchandise sales. So maybe there is some merchandise that you want to sell from your own brand, maybe a logo, maybe a cute motto or slogan that you have on your channel, or it could be something else related to your niche, related to your industry. You can be selling merch, showcasing it on your videos, or including links in your description and in your pinned comments to your merchandise. If done right, merchandise can not only help you make money, especially if you use a print-on-demand platform where you don't have to come out of pocket, it just gets sold and the print-on-demand site takes care of all the logistics. That's a really great way to get your brand out there, create some brand awareness, and also to create a community with your audience. Building that community of loyal fans can really create that sense of community and connection to have everybody wearing their merch. And I've seen this to really effective with lots of different industries. Everything from Star Wars content to true crime. There are creators who are using merch to build that sense of community. And the third way to earn income on YouTube, and something you can do as soon as you post your first video, is affiliate links. So as an affiliate, you can be earning a commission from everything that you sell with the affiliate links. So it could be things like books, courses, products. Let's say I really love this lamp right here and I had an affiliate link to this lamp. I could be selling that in the description of the video. And I can also share, anything that I have, notepads, whatever it is. What you want to do is include the affiliate links in the description of your video. And if there's one thing in particular that you want to sell or offer, you can pin it in the comments. And that way, anyone who watches your video will see that pinned comment. And if they resonate with whatever it is that you're trying to sell, may lead to some sales and may get you some affiliate commissions. If you'd like to learn more ways you can monetize your channel outside of the YouTube Partner Program, check out this video. For more help growing your visibility and monetizing your brand, go to alexanderfigueredo.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.